Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna tell you my secret how actually I increase my image clarity with just one click. No technical knowledge needed. Everyone can benefit from this method. So without any hesitation, let's dive straight into the video. First, you need to download an app from the store named Remini. After downloading, you can use the free version of Remini where you have to watch ads for every single image enhancement. However, if you like the enhancing feature of Remini app, you can also purchase it. Personally, I use the free version for my images enhancement. First of all, select the image you want to improve the resolution of. Click on Enhance where you have to watch ads in order to complete the process. If image didn't improve much, you can improve the enhanced image again. In my case, I use 2 times image enhancement technique on my single image in order to get my image more clear. But the downside of using multiple times image enhancement technique on a single image will make your image a little bit bluish. I hope you found this picture enhancement technique very helpful. Meanwhile, my name is Mehboob Ali Shah, and on this YouTube channel, I upload videos regarding most useful websites, amazing apps, and some hidden amazing features of Android and computer that constantly help you improve your growth and lives. Please do like the video and share it with your friends who need this tool for their picture enhancement. This is enough for today's video. Have a great day. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.